How to add a photo on your resume using Canva. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a photo on your resume using the Canva website. So in Canva you can find various templates which you can use and edit from. So I have a model right here. So let's say if you want to enter a picture, what you would first do is just head over to the left side of your screen. Here you will see uploads. Make sure that you have uploaded an image, so you can just click on upload files, and from here you can select a file from your PC. Now once your file is uploaded, you can just drag and drop here, resize it. So let's say if I want to put it on the left side of my screen like this is how you basically add an image. There is other things that you can do to customize your image. So let's say if I want to change the shape of my frame, what I would do is go ahead and click on elements, then click on frames here and search for frames. And now here I can see various frames. If you click on see all, there are lots and lots of different types of frames that you can use from. So let's say if I want a circular picture, I'm just going to drag and drop it here. And now all you have to do is just drag your picture and drop it on the frame. Now I will just resize the picture and make it fit somewhere right here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily add a photo or a picture on your Canva resume. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.